Now you can train indoor and outdoor with the HRM-Pro monitor. In addition to Ant+ connectivity, this heart rate monitor can transmit data over Bluetooth technology, and it's allowed you to connect with third-party training apps for data sharing. If you want to pair the HRM-Pro with your Garmin device, bring the Garmin device within 3 meters and follow the instructions to pair manually via Bluetooth technology. If you have already worn the heart rate monitor, you don't need to worry about the distance. After you pair the devices for the first time, next time when you wear the heart rate monitor, they will automatically recognize each other. To pair the Bluetooth on your device, first hold the Up key to enter the menu. Select Sensors and Accessories. Select Add New. Select External Heart Rate. Select HRM-Pro. Select Connected. Press the down key. Select Connection Type Ant+. Then select BLE. Now you have paired the HRM-Pro on your watch. After you wear the heart rate monitor, open your mobile settings. Select Bluetooth. Select HRM-Pro. Then pair the HRM-Pro on your Garmin Connect mobile. Select More. Select Garmin device. Select Add device. Your phone will start searching the HRM-Pro. After they connected, you can see several settings options. In the user settings, you can enter your gender, height, weight, and birth date. In general settings, you can see the software version and the battery status. Besides the Garmin Connect mobile, you can also pair the HRM-Pro with third-party training apps to smartphones, tablets, or smartwatches. The pairing method will be slightly different depending on the receiver, but here are the general rules. First, when pairing the devices, please put on the heart rate monitor to make sure the signal transmission works. Second, bring the heart rate monitor within 3 meters of the receiver. Third, turn on the Bluetooth settings on the receiving device and select HRM-Pro. We would also like to remind you, sweat and salt might affect the accuracy of your heart rate monitor. We suggest that you rinse the strap after every use and let the strap hand dry afterward. And that's it! Now you are ready to start your activity.